The question is, do I still have a case if the other driver ran me off the road but didn't actually contact my car? That's a great question and very specific. The answer is basically yes, but there's a few more hoops that you have to jump through that you wouldn't have to jump through if your cars had actually touched one another. First, in order to file that type of claim, you have to have some type of proof that the other car existed. Now, if the other car stopped and admitted to it, of course, that's the best kind of proof, but that doesn't always happen. So sometimes you need to find a camera that was able to record video of the accident, or a bystander who's willing to give witness testimony. Once you've crossed that hurdle, you have an additional hurdle that has to do with a jury, should you have to go to one. Juries will sometimes decide that without the impact, the car that made the decision to veer is the car that actually bears the most responsibility. So it's possible, and maybe slightly more likely than in a collision, that the jury might decide that you were at fault. You won't know how likely it is for you to recover until you try, though. So if you've been in this situation, I recommend that you contact an attorney and set up a free consultation.